Hi everyone, myself Atira. I would like to say a big thank you and my gratitude towards NIECCE for the course they provided to us NTT with integrated MTT course, and it was a great opportunity to me to learn new things, to start a career for me. I have shaped my career actually. It was like a dream for me actually. So when Remini ma'am called me from here for the admission. So when she called me for the admission purpose, I was like, okay, is it possible for me to do this course and how it will be in future, how I can work with children. These many thoughts was there in my mind. But when I start the course, it was like a beautiful memories and the moments. Every teachers, faculties, the staffs, and the management, everybody's support was like they supported us very much. So because of their support, I learned many new things and I got a job now. So it's all like a dream for me now, and I would recommend everybody for this course, NTT with integrated MTT course from NIECC. So it will be very useful for in our life. We can learn so many personal things from personal things which we can apply in our life. So I am very much thankful for everybody, for each and everyone. A special thanks to Ramani ma'am for her single call made me to make an admission here for me. So a very much thank you for Ramani ma'am also.